What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's mad late, so please forgive me if I don't have a lot of energy. I just got home from work. It's 12:48 a.m. I'm hella tired, but I'm gonna run a backtesting session because I feel like I need to run a backtesting session. I feel like it's important to always sharpen your skills, sharpen your edge, sharpen your trading edge in the market to bring that feeling of knowing what you're doing back to the forefront so you can walk into the markets in the next day with confidence. I know that this is going to suck for me to wake up early tomorrow because I wake up early every day, every day around 6:30, 7 o'clock a.m. But I'm gonna get this money either way. We gotta work, right? Nobody's gonna hand me the wealth that I want. Nobody's gonna hand me the success I want. Nobody's gonna hand me the results that I want. I gotta do it. So join along with me for this backtesting session. Hopefully you learned something. If you do, leave a like and subscribe down below. Just subscribe. You don't even gotta like. Just subscribe. Help a brother out. HBO special. Good looks. So let's get right into it. Let's go. So let's get right into the breakdown. First, I want to show you guys why I'm going to start at November 1st, right? November 1st was the first week of November that I took straight L's every single day. And I want to know why. So we're going to replay the data and I want to see, did I really take straight L's or was it something that I did wrong? So let's start at the 1 hour time frame as we usually do on November the 1st. Going from November the 1st to November 4th to November 8th. So let's fast forward just a little bit. Let's go to November 4th. November 4th is that Monday. And let's draw out structure that I was paying attention to. So see this area of interest that I like right here. See this area of interest that I like right here. I'd even draw it up a little higher. I don't see anything else on the 1 hour, like probably here, but I don't think price is gonna get there, but it could. Let me just draw it out. It possibly could. Definitely possibly could. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame and draw the structure areas that I noticed. I see this area right here. I don't particularly see anything else. Make this orange. I always make my 15-minute areas orange. I don't particularly see anything else. Probably these lows right here. Before it created like another set of structure. And it created one more structure point right here. So I think that's it for right now. Let's fast forward the clips. Let's drop down to the 1 minute. And then we're going to fast forward going into 9:30. So let's see if any of my areas of interest get tapped into. Should be almost 9:30 now, 9:23. 9:30 happened. So we got tapped into that 9:30. 9:30 touched my area of interest. I probably from here be looking for buys right here. I'm looking for buys at the break of this structure. Yeah, I think that's definitely what I would be looking for. Ooh, look at that. That's a fat L. That's definitely something I would take. I would take that every single time. Like, dude, that's just like my signature trade, but I can't see why it didn't work out. Like it did exactly what I usually do. And it just didn't work out. I like to think sometimes it's market conditions, but I don't know. I really just don't know. All right, let's do the next day because that's runs. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's finish the day. Let's go all the way until like 10:30. Let's see if we probably see another trade idea. 9:48, 49. I'll probably take buys from up here, but that would be like my stop loss would be extra wide. Like it would be something like this. But I can also take sells from right here. Let me look at the 1 hour time frame. I could probably see buys. On a 15-minute time frame, it looks like it looked like it already broke this 15-minute structure, retraced. I could see sells. Let's see if we can flip this trade idea for sells. Since the buys didn't work, let's flip it. And my stop loss would be pretty wide. I'm not gonna lie, pretty wide if I'm looking for buys. And the next area of interest is right here, so I can possibly look for sells pretty easy. I probably would now take this area of interest as a zone that I would take. That would give me a higher risk to reward. Okay. Are we in the money? Are we in the money? It's already 10:45 at this point. Come on, do something. Stop me out or hit TP. TP1 or something. Jesus Christ. TP1 hit. Nice. So far, that's 1W and 1L. But let's see if TP2 gets hit. TP2 gets hit. That's great. That's great. TP2 gets hit. Right? That's great. That's great. LOL. Let's fast forward to the next day. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What areas of interest I can take these off? This off. I could probably keep this area of interest. I keep the rest, but make this an area of interest. No, that wouldn't be an area of interest because it didn't break any lows. Maybe this right here. I think I like that. That looks about right. Let's drop down to the 15-minute. Let's see if we see any other area of interest. I don't quite. Maybe this. Maybe that. I see that. I see how much times it's come here, but it hasn't broke it. That's something to pay attention to, because whenever it runs like a structure, like it hits an area that it just keeps tapping into and it hasn't broken it, sometimes all price needs to do is grab liquidity from the top or the bottom, and then it starts to drop off. So that's all I see right now. I see one more area right here. Just put a line there. Let's drop down to the 1 minute. Let's see. So as I said, if I get a run of these highs like up here, I'll probably be looking for sells from up here. Mind you, I don't know what's going to happen. I just got home from work. I just told you guys that. So let's see. This is all live. This is all unfiltered. All that. I'm waiting for 9:30. 9:30, big drop down. Okay, 9:30. That didn't go the direction I wanted it to. Ooh, we got the run of the highs. That's perfect, because now we grab liquidity. Perfect. Let's see. I would want to take a trade idea like something like this, but that's huge. Like you can see this. It could possibly work. Next candle. Ooh, better entry, possibly. Let's see. Didn't tap me in. Okay, went even higher. That's annoying. It didn't tap me in though. Went to like a double bottom. The great thing about futures is it can go literally right to where you would enter and not enter in you. It only enter you in like a pip afterwards. There's no slippage, which is fantastic. I love that. I actually do love that, because with Forex, I would have been tapped into this trade for sure. Mm, yeah, it's shooting up right now. I don't see nothing. Yeah, this. Okay, I could see another area that I could take a trade from. It's 10:29 though, so at this point, I'm already winding down to the end of my day, not taking any more trades. It looks like a full bear bullish day. I shouldn't have been trading this day anyway. I should have been just sitting on my hands, being patient, waiting, because there was no trade idea that I liked enough to take for this day. So, one W, one L in a no trade day. Okay, we got 3 more days. Let's keep going. 3 more days. Let's fast forward the clips. Let's fast forward the clips. Oh, we had a push. Ooh, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that push. Let me just get rid of all of that down there. Remove all that drawing. Let's redraw structure. Ew, looks like this like ew. Oh, that went straight for all-time highs with that just one push. Overnight, it went straight for all-time highs. Overnight. What was this, elections? I think that was elections. Yeah, maybe Trump won at that time. Yeah. For sure, for sure. I can see that. I think that's what happened. Yeah, I think that's what happened. Cause that's the only thing that makes sense. So I actually don't know, but I can guess the meet November 5th. That looked like that's what happened. Random time highs. Let's like I probably shouldn't even have traded this day either, if I'm being honest. And if I did trade this day, it should have just been only buys, like only buys. Let me just drop down to the 1 minute because I know I shouldn't have traded this day. Seeing how crazy it went, I probably did some dumb shit like looking for shorts. Like who does that? I would take buys from here. Let's see. Let's see. 9:30, 9:28. I'll probably readjust my stop loss to like a right here, just to make sure I could protect myself. 9:28, 9:29. Ooh, it dipped down even more. It didn't tap me into the trade though, so my stop loss would be readjusted again. I'll probably only go for like a 1-to-1 on this setup. I could see this one working out. I would have to match it up to the trade that I actually took to see why didn't it work out? Why didn't I? Because I could foresee this working out. Ooh, what the hell? What the hell? Ew. Market structure was disgusting this day. Well, TP hit after like going damn near close enough to TP, pulling all the way back to close the stop loss, then eventually hitting TP. Wow, that's a scary Wednesday. Wow. That is a scary Wednesday. This trade should have worked out. That is a scary Wednesday. Wow. Wow. Let me just fast forward. Yeah. It just kept bulling. I would just look for buys, really. That's what I'm saying. Just like look for buys. After Trump won, we've been in such a bull run. It's crazy. I would just be looking for buys. I just want to look for buys, but the market be playing, bro. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I see any areas of interest? I see one right here. I see like this. Seeing that it came close to all-time highs. I just want to draw because it's all-time highs. Maybe this area of interest right here. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers it for what I see on the 1 hour. Yeah, pretty much covered it. Yeah, all I want to do is have these areas because let's see on the 15 minute. I doubt there's gonna be any clearer areas. Yep, as I said, doubt there was going to be any clearer areas on the 15 minutes for me to take, for me to even look at. No, maybe right here. You can see this on the 15-minute time frame. I don't see anything else. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't see nothing else. So let's drop down to the 1 minute, and I'm looking for the same thing I always look for. Let's see. I would want to look for buys. I want to see the run of the lows from London session get ran. That would be good. That would be like around right here. That would be around 43,863. Let's see if it does work. Before 9:30 hits, too. That want to happen. It's 9:28, 9:29, 9:30. All right, it's oh, 9:30 took that dip. I'll be looking for buys after that dip. But that's like unrealistic, because now this is same price needs to go above all-time highs to give me my TP. That's a little bit unrealistic. Like, although it could very easily. Okay, my stop loss would change. Like at this point, like seeing that my TP would be all the way above like all-time highs, it would be tough for me to take this trade. But it looks like I lost that day anyway, so let's just keep fast forwarding the clips. Come on. Do something. What time is it now? 10:40. You didn't do nothing. Let's just fast forward it. Wow, it just chopped around for hours. Look at it, it's not doing anything. Let's see around London session. Around lunch session, if it picks back up, or it hits my stop loss. Wow, it did nothing. You know what? Let's just. Yeah, it hits my stop loss eventually, but it would have just chopped around the whole day. That's tough. See, this is tough. This is tough to trade. Look at this. We won, zigzag, nothingness that happened this whole day. This is tough, right? To trade this is not volume. This is straight consolidation. This is tough to trade. And I couldn't even say I would stay out the markets this day. I wouldn't, unless there was like a holiday or something. I wouldn't have a reason to stay out the market on this Thursday. Seeing that it was already in bullish territory, it's tough. That was tough. So let's do the last day, which is that Friday. My stop loss is what a guy eventually hit, which is, as I said, tough. 3, 4, 5. Let's mark out the areas of interest that I like. That 15-minute area of interest held. You can see that it held up. That 1 hour still held. This 1 hour up here still held. I'm gonna get rid of this one. See if I can see a better area of interest on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, let's drop down to the 15. Let's see if we see a better area. No, not really. I don't see anything better. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's been from November, from it hit all-time highs, and they made this little move down here from November 7th to November 7th from New York Open to New York Open on November 8th. It looks consolidated, so I would be going into this very skeptical. I should have gone into this very skeptical. It looked like I did take the day off on that Friday. You can see I took that day off. I probably didn't trade. Wow. These markets are tough to trade in. Wow, I see a lot of people making money, and I'm totally for it. I'm totally with it. Like, yeah, make as much money as you can. Ooh, look at that wick. Look at that wick after it ran all-time highs. It tapped it, and then that wick. That wick is 2 times bigger than the body. I'm already looking at this like, yeah, this could sell off crazy. And I would definitely love to see it sell off. So I probably take a trade like this. But damn, my stop loss would be wide. But it's right there next to the next area of interest that I'll be liking to get out of. So I'll take this trade. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Stop loss would have been hit. Hey, as I said, y'all, tough week. You guys see it. I would have taken what is 3 losses, 1 win, 1 no trade day. Yeah, this is tough, bro. I have to do this backtesting session because I gotta see, am I doing something? Am I doing something wrong? Like, is there something that I could change or do something different? Is it the market condition? Is it me? Is it, what is it? But right now I'm seeing that it's definitely the market conditions is definitely just weird, bro. It's just making all-time highs and then it consolidates, then it makes all-time highs again, then it consolidates. It's very weird. I haven't seen this since like 2020. So it's different market conditions. I might have to create a new strategy to help me trade these type of market conditions because I really don't understand them. I'm gonna be honest, I really don't understand them. So with that being said, thanks for watching the video. Till next time, peace.